That freaking hardwood, that's fucking cherry. It's a brand new chain. I didn't put a skip tooth chain on it. I thought I'd use a regular one. I thought I'd get it all on one video, but apparently I'm not gonna. I'll put that stuff right there. And she's not too bad. So I'll run her all right. Glasses are all wadded up. So we'll have a look, see what this looks like. Look at that. Going through this green knotty area with a little hard on it. Look at that piece of hard black cherry. Around the knot was a little tough, but you know, that's pretty good stuff. Freaking hard on that saw. Holy good God. God, those look good there, eh? These things here are $18 there. $19 there. That is, wait a minute, I'll get some water. See these fellows on the internet putting water on them. I guess it does make them look a little better. Me, I don't care. I'm just doing this to make a couple bucks. What's more water in there? Throw that over there. I have to excuse some of the dirt. But that's what she looks like. Nice piece of wood. By the time you run that through a planer on both sides, I cut the slab 2.5 inches thick, and she is, where's my tape, man? Oh. 9 4 3/4. So they sell that stuff. Oh, they sell that stuff for between $4 and $10 a board foot. Now, let me do a little math here. One-handed. So we go, let's say 9 feet. 9 feet times, we'd say that was 18 times 2.5 equals, that's 405 board feet. So times $5 a foot equals, that's worth about $2,000 that piece. That seems a little much to me, but I don't know. I was just going to charge $500 each, so, but we'll see. We'll see. But anyway, that's my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I don't know if I'll do any more videoing while I'm cutting here, but it's just kind of a pain in the ass holding the camera and doing stuff and trying to work too. And I go all disabled. I got that bum leg down here. This leg is only 4 plates and 38 screws holding it together. There's my bees. I got 2 hives back here, and my neighbor's got some junk boats over there, and there's my tractor and my boat, and a couple more slabs there. And that slab there, she's only about 5 feet long. There's some chainsaw inclusions. I mean, the one on the bottom, but the other piece right there apparently is worth $100. People use that for edge, and they'll make normal wood and they'll make live edge wood out of it. They'll glue that on there, I guess, and nail it on. But anyway, this is probably the last warm, decent day we're going to get this year. And so, what it is, I guess. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Ciao.